Hello, welcome to our channel. In this video, we will discuss how you can prepare for the CSIR-UGC NET Life Science examination in just 30 days. Whether you are a beginner or revising for the second time, this plan will help you stay organized, confident, and exam ready. You will need about 8 to 10 hours of study per day at this point of time. But don't worry, you can adjust this based on your schedule if you're working or studying elsewhere. Our goal is simple: cover all 13 units conceptually, strengthen high yield topics, and master previous year questions. For that, let's know the exam structure. The CSIR-UGC NET Life Science paper is for 200 marks and lasts for 3 hours. It is divided into 3 parts. Part A, General Aptitude. Part B, Subject-based conceptual questions. And Part C, Analytical and application-based questions. A clear understanding of this structure will help you plan your time effectively. Next, prioritize high weightage units. Let's identify the high weightage units. These are the game changers. Focus more on molecular biology, cell biology, biochemistry, genetics, immunology, ecology, plant physiology, animal physiology, and techniques in biology. The remaining units like evolution, developmental biology, system physiology, applied biology, and diversity of life forms are still important, but they usually carry fewer questions. Now comes the most crucial part, the 30-day plan. We divide the month into 4 weeks and dedicate each to specific groups of subjects. Week 1, Co-concepts. Week 1 is all about building a strong foundation. Focus on high yield molecular and cellular units, molecular biology, cell biology, and biochemistry. On day 1, we will cover cell biology, membrane structure, transport, and organelles. The focus will be on diagrams and pathways. Day 2, cell signaling, cytoskeleton, cell cycle. The focus will be on concept and inhibitors. Day 3, molecular biology. We will cover DNA replication, repair, and recombination. The focus will be on enzymes and mechanisms. On day 4, transcription, translation, and gene regulation of prokaryotes and eukaryotes. The focus will be on the comparison between prokaryotes and eukaryotes. And on day 5, biochemistry, biomolecules, enzymes, metabolism, including glycolysis, TCA, ETC, etc. And the focus will be on energy pathways. Day 6, biochemical techniques like chromatography, electrophoresis, and centrifugation. And we will be focusing on principles. Day 7 is for revision and practice previous year questions, at least from 2016 to 2023 for these topics. Spend time understanding the concepts and mechanism rather than memorizing facts. Let's move on to the week 2, and it's for organismal and physiological units like animal physiology, plant physiology, and genetics. On day 8, we will cover genetics, Mendelian, then lineage and epistasis. We will focus on numerical practices. And day 9, gene mapping, chromosomal aberration, population genetics, and the focus will be on formulas. Day 10, plant physiology, photosynthesis and respiration, and the reactions will be the key focus. And on day 11, plant hormones and stress physiology. The focus will be on mechanisms. Day 12, animal physiology, nervous system, muscle contraction and circulation. The focus will be on mechanistic clarity. Day 13, reproduction, endocrine and exocrine system and homeostasis. The focus will be on comparative aspects. And on day 14, it will be revision day and plus the practice for previous year question papers from these units. For these papers, make sure notes, summary notes and solve numerical problems and related concepts to physiological functions. And then comes the week 3rd. Week 3rd is all about understanding the analytical and applied concepts, study ecology, evolution, developmental biology and immunology. On day 15, we will cover the topics ecology, population dynamics, ecosystem and biodiversity. We will be focusing on numerical questions. For day 16, it will be ecological techniques, sampling and energy flow. The focus will be on graphs and data. Day 17, evolution, Hardy-Weinberg, natural selection and molecular evolution. The focus will be on numerical questions. Day 18, it will be developmental biology, gametogenesis, fertilization, axis formation. The focus will be on embryo models. And on day 19, it will be immunology, innate versus adaptive, antibodies, MHCs, and the key focus will be on pathways. On day 20, antigen antibody interactions, vaccines, and hypersensitivity. The focus will be on mechanism. Then on day 21, revise and then practice previous year questions, especially for the part C questions. Pay attention to data based and concept linked questions. They are common in part C. Now comes week 14. It is focused on integration and practice. Revise all units, cover techniques and methods in biology and attempt full length mock tests. On day 22, we will cover techniques in biology, microscopy and molecular cloning, and PCR will be on focus and the principles will be stressed upon. Then on day 23, applied biology, biotechnology, recombinant DNA techniques, and the focus will be on gene editing. Day 24, diversity of life, system physiology. It will be a quick revision note preparation. And on 25, revision round 1, units 1 to 7 using flashcards and notes. And on 26, revision number 2, units 8 to 13, and we will use formula sheets. And on 27th day, it will be full length mock test for 3 hours, and we will analyze the mistakes. And 28th day, full length mock test 2, we will analyze the weakness and the weaker areas. And on 29th day, quick revisions and previous year question paper from 2011 to 23. Then 30th day, it will be the final mock test and mental preparation. Analyze your mistake and work on weaker areas. Remember, the mock tests are the best way to build exam stamina. Now, let's see some resources. We have some recommendations on books and online resources. For theory, use Leninger for biochemistry, Alberts or Lodish for cell and molecular biology, Cube for immunology, and Teysen-Seger for plant physiology. Then refer Odum and Gilbert for other topics. For CSIR preparation, Pathfinder is a good choice, and make sure to solve unit-wise previous year question papers available online. Now let's see the daily strategy. Here is a simple daily schedule you can adapt. Start your day with a theory study for 2 to 3 hours, then move on to problem solving concepts questions. Then after lunch, it will be a practice previous year question paper and mock question papers. In the evening, revise diagrams, notes and formulas. And before sleeping, spend 15 minutes on aptitude questions. They can earn you easy marks. Then for some tips for success, let's finish a few golden tips. Previous year question papers are goals. About 60 to 70% of the questions are concept repeats. Prepare handwritten notes for every unit, and don't ignore the part A, it's scoring. Revise every week and take timed mock tests. Focus on understanding instead of rote learning. Then finally, stay consistent, take breaks, and believe in yourselves. That is for this session. With the dedication and a smart plan, 1 month is enough to prepare effectively for the CSIR-UGC NET Life Science examination. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And for more details, topic-wise guidance, thank you for watching, and good luck for your preparation. Thank you.